How to edit your pledge amount on Patreon mobile. To edit your pledge amount on Patreon mobile, you must navigate to a specific creators page within your active membership. So what you want to do is basically launch the Patreon mobile app and ensure you are on your subscription profile. So open up your Patreon mobile app and you just want to make sure to go to member profile. So this is where you could go to profile, and then you will be able to find settings and you will be able to find membership or member profile. Here you just want to tap the account icon in the bottom right and bottom right corner, or scroll through the creators list at the top of your home page and screen and double tap your desired creators. Then you want to go to the membership, or just tap the three dot in the upper right corner of the creators page, and then you could just go ahead and tap your membership and select edit membership, and you would increase your current tier payment without changing tier as well. Or you could just go ahead and tap payment or edit payment method and custom amount filled and enter your new total. And if the creator uses a pre-creation billing, enter the amount and under choose what you pay. You could just go ahead and update or subscribe now to save your changes as well. And that is basically how you're supposed to edit your pledge amount on Patreon mobile. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.